If you just got a new iPhone or are considering upgrading your old iPhone to a new iPhone, but you want to make sure that all of your data, your apps, your messages, your photos are all transferred over to the new iPhone. I'm going to walk you through everything that you need to do beforehand and also the process of transferring that data so that you don't lose anything. So first, what we're going to do on your old iPhone is tap on the Settings app. Oh, let me go back out of here to the beginning. Tap on your name at the top. And then tap on iCloud midway down. Scroll down and then tap on iCloud Backup. From here, all you need to do is make sure Backup this iPhone is turned on and then tap Backup Now. So we're going to back up everything on your old iPhone to the iCloud. We're not going to use the iCloud to be able to transfer that data because it tends to be fairly slow. But essentially, this will just be a what if, in case something bad happens, it'll all be stored on the iCloud. So that is all safe. The next thing you're going to do after it's done backing up is tap the back arrow. Tap the back arrow again, and then tap the back arrow again. From here, all we need to do is tap on Wi-Fi and make sure it is turned on so you can see the green icon here. And then tap back and tap on Bluetooth. And again, make sure this is turned on. So now you've done everything you need to do on your old iPhone. Now open up your new iPhone and I'll show you what you're going to do. After you reach the first couple of screens, it will say basically welcome and how do you want to transfer all of the data from your old iPhone or from somewhere else to the new iPhone. You could choose don't transfer everything or anything if you just wanted to set it up new. However, most people want to transfer it from another iPhone. You could choose from iCloud Backup, but keep in mind this tends to be very slow because then it needs to download everything from iCloud onto your new phone. So the faster option is from another iPhone. And you have two ways to do this. One way is to get a USB-C cable, essentially the charging cable, and connect your old phone and your new phone together, and then do that method. However, another option you have is just to scan the QR code. So on your old phone, it will pop up with sort of a QR code looking thing. It's a bunch of dots that are kind of wandering around and moving around. You're going to get your new iPhone and you're going to scan this code and essentially it will just start doing the entire process. It will transfer your apps, your photos, your messages, your mail. Everything will be as if you've just set it up, but everything will be the same as it was on your old iPhone. However, keep in mind you will need to set up the eSIM if you haven't already. This connects your new iPhone over to the cell carrier. To be able to do that, it's fairly easy. On your new iPhone, tap on the Settings app. Let me go back to the beginning. Tap on Cellular. Scroll down and tap on Add eSIM. From here, it'll walk you through the process. Most of the time, you can just choose Transfer from Nearby iPhone. This might automatically go through this process when you transfer it from your old iPhone, but if it doesn't, you can just do that. Or if you're setting up a new cell phone plan, you can tap Use QR Code and then scan QR code. And essentially that new carrier usually emails you a QR code that you'll just scan with your new iPhone, and it will set up the new eSIM so that you can also make and receive calls and transfer your old phone number, basically your old iPhone phone number, over to your new iPhone so that it can make and receive calls and text messages. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.